Looking for a powerful, compact excavator that gets the job done and fits your needs perfectly? Meet the customized mini backhoe excavator. 3.5 ton. Built with high-strength steel and a robust crawler system. This machine is ready for farms, construction sites, and tough terrain. The EPA-compliant engine delivers powerful, efficient performance, while keeping emissions low and compliance high. Need a custom attachment or a special configuration? No problem. This machine is fully customizable to match your work style and site needs. Plus, it's built with advanced safety features, making it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're digging, lifting, or clearing, this 3.5-ton mini excavator delivers big results in a compact frame. Worldwide shipping available, including DDP service in North America, Europe, and beyond. Tap the link below to get your free quote and order now.